History Sisters. Our first victim is Daisy Atkins. This episode, troubles with homework. Hey, Daisy. Do you know your rights as a U.S. citizen? Let me say that again. Do you know your rights as a U.S. citizen? Oh, forget it.
No.
Then listen close.
I'm going to go get my big buddies so they can learn it too.
What are you doing here?
Come downstairs, it's a surprise. Guys, these are the History Sisters.
What are they doing here? Is this for school? It's Saturday. And it's 6 o'clock in the morning.
We're here to talk about 5 rights you have as a U.S. citizen.
Too bad, I'm here to learn.
So let's get to it.
The first amendment we're going to talk about is you have the right to bear arms.
Slow down.
What does that mean? It means you can have weaponry in your own home, just for self-defense.
So, if somebody comes in and tries to rob your place, you can shoot them?
Well, technically, but not actually shoot them. Like not shoot them and murder, but it means that you can have weaponry in your actual home for self-defense. Scare them off. Yeah. The second amendment we're going to talk about is you have the right to remain silent. That means that, well, you guys are correct by covering your mouths, but when you're in court, all you have to say is I plead the fifth when you're on the witness stand. Because if you're going to say something that's going to prove you guilty and you know you're innocent, then you don't want to say anything at all. And it also keeps you out of double jeopardy, which means you can't get in trouble twice for the same crime.
I'm writing this down.
The third amendment we're going to talk about is quartering soldiers.
Does that mean that you have to pay soldiers a quarter?
No. But back when King George was alive, he let soldiers come to the 13 colonies and take over homes. Now, since we have the right to soldiers can't come in your homes and take everything you have. The fourth amendment we're going to talk about is cruel and unusual punishment. This means that if you're in jail, they can't treat you poor and unfairly. Yeah. Like, say, you stole something from a house and you got caught for it. They can't take you to jail, and they can't just not feed you. They have to feed you and do what they're supposed to do when you're in jail. The fifth and final amendment we're going to talk about is searches and seizures.
Do you mean seizures like
No. It means you have to have a search warrant, which is an official document saying that you can, what you're looking for, where you're looking for it, and why.
Oh, something like this.
I love you. Exactly. It's even signed by a government official. So that's exactly what we're talking about. This keeps the power of the police low. Now you know 5 out of the 10 original amendments from the Bill of Rights. Now you can actually go back to sleep. But don't forget, it's important.
So we woke up from this?
Yeah. Let's go back to bed. The History Sisters are finished.